If you're someone who loves to snack, and let's be honest, who doesn't, then you're going to want to pay close attention to what I'm about to share. Imagine being able to enjoy your favorite snacks, satisfy your cravings, and actually do something good for your body at the same time. No need to force down strange superfoods you can barely pronounce, or give up the treats you love. There's a simple, natural upgrade you can make to your snacking routine, and the best part? It's already sitting in your kitchen just waiting for you to unlock its full potential. Today we're diving into a snack hack that's as easy as it is powerful, one that can help you feel better, boost your energy, and even support your long-term health, all without sacrificing flavor or fun. Let's talk about almonds. Maybe you already keep a jar of them on your desk, or you toss a handful into your bag for a quick pick-me-up during the day. Almonds are one of the world's most popular nuts, and for good reason. They're crunchy, satisfying, and packed with nutrients. But what if I told you that you could make almonds even better? That you could unlock more nutrition, make them easier to digest, and turn them into a snack that's not just good, but truly great for your body. Whether you're a lifelong almond lover or just starting to explore healthier snacking options, this simple trick is about to change the way you think about nuts forever. Here's the game-changing hack: soaking your almonds. It might sound too simple to be true, but soaking almonds overnight is a tradition that's been practiced for centuries in many cultures around the world. And now, modern science is catching up, showing us just how powerful this little step can be. When you soak almonds, you're not just making them softer, you're actually transforming them into a supercharged snack that your body can use more efficiently. Let's break down exactly why soaking almonds is such a big deal, and how you can start reaping the benefits with almost zero effort. First, let's talk about digestion. Raw almonds are covered in a tough brown skin that contains natural compounds called tannins and phytic acid. These compounds are part of the almond's natural defense system, but they can also make it harder for your body to absorb all the good stuff inside. When you soak almonds, the water helps break down these barriers, making the nuts easier to digest and allowing your body to access more of their nutrients. This isn't just a theory. Nutritionists and health experts agree that soaking nuts can help reduce digestive discomfort, especially for people who sometimes feel bloated or gassy after eating raw nuts. So, if you've ever loved the taste of almonds but found they didn't always love you back, soaking could be the solution you've been looking for. But the benefits don't stop at easier digestion. Soaking almonds actually increases the availability of key vitamins and minerals. When you soak them overnight, the hard skin softens and loosens, and the nutrients inside become more accessible. We're talking about vitamin E, which is a powerful antioxidant that helps protect your cells from damage. Magnesium, which supports everything from muscle function to heart health. And let's not forget about healthy fats, protein, and fiber, all of which are essential for keeping you full, energized, and satisfied between meals. Some studies even suggest that soaking almonds can help increase the levels of certain antioxidants, giving your body an extra boost in fighting off free radicals and supporting your immune system. If you've ever struggled with digestive issues after eating nuts, like feeling bloated, gassy, or just uncomfortable, soaked almonds could be a total game changer for you. The soaking process breaks down some of the complex starches and fibers that can be tough on your stomach, making the almonds much gentler to eat. They're softer, creamier, and easier to chew, which means your digestive system doesn't have to work as hard. Many people who thought they couldn't enjoy nuts because of tummy troubles have found that soaked almonds are a whole different experience. You get all the flavor and crunch you love without the discomfort. It's a small change that can make a big difference in how you feel after snacking. Imagine being able to snack on almonds whenever you want, without worrying about that heavy, bloated feeling afterward. No more nutty tummy troubles. Soaked almonds are a gentle, nourishing option that can fit into almost any diet, whether you're vegan, gluten-free, or just trying to eat a little healthier. Plus, they're naturally low in sugar and high in healthy fats, making them a perfect choice for anyone looking to manage their weight, support their heart, or just feel better throughout the day. It's a win-win for your taste buds and your digestive system. Now you might be wondering, how hard is it to actually soak almonds? The answer: it couldn't be easier. All you need to do is take a handful of raw almonds, about 8 to 12 is perfect for a daily snack, and drop them into a bowl or glass of water before you go to bed. Make sure the water covers the almonds completely, and let them sit overnight, or for at least 8 hours. That's it. There's no fancy equipment, no complicated steps, and no special ingredients required. In less than a minute, you've set yourself up for a healthier, tastier snack the next day. It's the kind of simple habit that can make a big impact over time, especially if you make it part of your nightly routine. In the morning, you'll notice that the almonds have plumped up and the skins have loosened. Just give them a quick rinse, and if you want, you can easily slip off the skins with your fingers. This step is optional, but many people find that removing the skins makes the almonds even creamier and more enjoyable to eat. The texture is softer, almost buttery, and the flavor is milder and sweeter than raw almonds. It's like discovering a whole new snack, one that's both familiar and exciting at the same time. And because you've taken the time to soak them, you know you're getting the maximum nutrition and digestibility with every bite. Soaked almonds are incredibly versatile too. You can eat them plain, right out of the bowl, for a quick and satisfying snack. Or, get creative. Toss them into your morning smoothie for a creamy, nutty boost of protein and healthy fats. Chop them up and sprinkle them over your oatmeal or yogurt for extra crunch and flavor. Add them to salads for a satisfying texture, or use them as a topping for your favorite desserts. You can even blend soaked almonds with a little water to make your own almond milk or almond butter at home. The possibilities are endless, and because soaked almonds are so mild and creamy, they work well in both sweet and savory dishes. It's a simple way to add nutrition, flavor, and variety to your meals without any extra effort. Soaking almonds can also be a fun and easy activity to share with your family or friends. Get your kids involved by letting them help peel the skins in the morning. It's a sensory experience they'll love and a great way to teach them about healthy eating habits. You can even experiment with adding a pinch of sea salt, a splash of vanilla, or a sprinkle of cinnamon to your soaking water for a little extra flavor. The more you make soaking almonds a part of your routine, the more you'll look forward to this nourishing, delicious snack every day. Let's take a closer look at the science behind why soaking almonds is so beneficial. As we mentioned earlier, raw almonds contain phytic acid, which can bind to minerals like iron, zinc, and calcium, making them harder for your body to absorb. By soaking the almonds, you help break down some of this phytic acid, freeing up those minerals so your body can use them more effectively. This means you're not just eating a healthy snack, you're actually getting more nutrition from every almond you eat. Plus, the soaking process can help activate enzymes in the almonds, which may further support digestion and nutrient absorption. It's a win for your body on every level. Let's talk specifics. Vitamin E is one of the most important antioxidants in your diet, and almonds are one of the best natural sources. This vitamin helps protect your cells from oxidative stress, supports healthy skin, and may even play a role in brain health as you age. Magnesium is another superstar nutrient found in almonds, and it's essential for hundreds of processes in your body, from muscle function to energy production to keeping your heart beating strong. And don't forget about the healthy fats. Almonds are rich in monounsaturated fats, which have been linked to lower cholesterol levels and a reduced risk of heart disease. By soaking your almonds, you're making all of these nutrients more available to your body, so you get the maximum benefit from every bite. If you're someone who likes to plan ahead, soaking almonds is a great way to prep healthy snacks for the week. You can soak a larger batch, keep them in the fridge for up to 3 days, and grab a handful whenever you need a quick, nourishing bite. They're perfect for busy mornings, afternoon slumps, or even as a pre- or post-workout snack. And because they're so portable, you can take them with you wherever you go. No refrigeration required once they're soaked and peeled. It's a simple, affordable way to make sure you always have a healthy option on hand, no matter how hectic your schedule gets. Think about the snacks you usually reach for when you're hungry. Chips, cookies, granola bars, or other processed foods. While they might taste good in the moment, they're often loaded with added sugars, unhealthy fats, and artificial ingredients that can leave you feeling sluggish and unsatisfied. Soaked almonds, on the other hand, are a whole natural food that provides lasting energy, supports your health, and actually tastes amazing. By making this one simple swap, you're giving your body the fuel it needs to thrive, without any of the downsides of processed snacks. So, the next time you find yourself reaching for a snack, remember this easy upgrade. Soak your almonds the night before, and you'll have a delicious, nutritious option ready to go whenever hunger strikes. Your body will thank you for the extra vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, and your taste buds will love the creamy, satisfying texture. It's a small change that can make a big difference in how you feel, both now and in the long run. Don't just take my word for it. Thousands of people have made the switch to soaked almonds and noticed real improvements in their energy, digestion, and overall well-being. Some say they feel less bloated, others notice clearer skin, and many just love the way soaked almonds taste compared to raw or roasted nuts. It's a simple, affordable habit that can fit into any lifestyle, and the benefits speak for themselves. And if you're feeling adventurous, there are so many ways to use soaked almonds beyond just snacking. Blend them with water to make your own fresh almond milk, perfect for coffee, cereal, or baking. Whip up a batch of homemade almond butter for spreading on toast or dipping fruit. Or try adding soaked almonds to your favorite dessert recipes for a boost of nutrition and flavor. The possibilities are endless, and once you start experimenting, you'll wonder how you ever lived without this simple kitchen hack. Want to take your soaked almonds to the next level? Try infusing your soaking water with natural flavors. Add a cinnamon stick, a splash of vanilla extract, or a few slices of citrus to the water before soaking. The almonds will absorb a hint of the flavor, making your snack even more delicious and unique. It's a fun way to keep things interesting and discover new taste combinations that you and your family will love. Making soaked almonds. Part of your daily routine is a small act of self-care that can set a positive tone for your whole day. Enjoy them with your morning tea or coffee, pack them in your lunchbox, or keep a bowl on your desk for a healthy afternoon. Pick me up. Every time you reach for a soaked almond, you're making a choice to nourish your body, support your health, and treat yourself with kindness. It's a habit that's easy to start, and even easier to stick with, once you experience the benefits for yourself. Ready to unlock more simple, science-backed health hacks like this one? Tap follow and join our community of snack lovers, wellness seekers, and everyday people who want to feel their best, without giving up the foods they love. We're here to share easy tips, delicious recipes, and practical advice to help you boost your wellness every day. Soak those almonds, snack smarter, and let's make healthy living fun, tasty, and totally doable. Together.